Your liver is one of the most hard-working organs in your body. It acts as a filter, detoxifying harmful substances, processing nutrients, and supporting digestion and metabolism. But did you know that some common foods you eat every day could be quietly harming your liver? Today, we're uncovering one of the biggest dietary culprits damaging liver health, why it's so harmful, and how you can protect your liver by making smarter food choices. The food in question is processed and sugary beverages, particularly those loaded with high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, and excessive sugar content. This includes sodas, energy drinks, sweetened juices, and many flavored teas or coffees. While they may seem harmless or just a little treat, their impact on your liver can be serious and even irreversible over time. So, why is this type of food so harmful to your liver? The answer lies in how your body processes fructose, a type of sugar that is metabolized almost exclusively in the liver. When you consume sugary drinks, your liver is flooded with large amounts of fructose all at once. Unlike glucose, which is used by many cells in your body, fructose is processed by the liver and converted into fat. This can lead to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, where fat builds up in liver cells, impairing their function. NAFLD is increasingly common worldwide and can progress silently without symptoms for years. If left unchecked, it may develop into more severe liver problems such as inflammation, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, fibrosis, cirrhosis, or even liver cancer. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume sugary drinks have significantly higher risk of developing NAFLD, regardless of their weight or physical activity level. Beyond fatty liver, excessive sugar intake also contributes to insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome, which further damages the liver and overall health. Sugary beverages provide empty calories that spike blood sugar and insulin, contributing to weight gain and fat accumulation in organs. Cutting back on these harmful drinks is one of the most effective ways to protect your liver. Instead of reaching for soda or sweetened juice, opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with fresh fruits and herbs. If you crave something fizzy, sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime is a refreshing alternative without the added sugars. But it's not just sugary drinks that can harm your liver. Processed foods high in refined carbohydrates, artificial additives, and unhealthy fats also contribute to liver stress and inflammation. Think packaged snacks, fast food, baked goods, and many convenience meals. These foods often increase oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, impairing its ability to detoxify and repair. To support liver health, focus on whole, unprocessed foods rich in antioxidants and nutrients that help detoxify and regenerate liver cells. Vegetables like leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, and beets are especially beneficial. Foods high in fiber such as whole grains, fruits, nuts, and seeds also support digestion and reduce fat buildup in the liver. Healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocado, and fatty fish provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight are equally important. Physical activity helps reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote overall metabolic health. Even moderate exercise, like brisk walking for 30 minutes a day, can make a difference. If you're concerned about your liver health, talk to your healthcare provider about testing for liver enzymes and screening for fatty liver disease. Early detection allows for timely lifestyle changes to reverse damage and prevent complications. In summary, the common food and drink enemy harming your liver right now is sugary, processed beverages loaded with high fructose corn syrup. These drinks overload your liver with fructose, leading to fat buildup, inflammation, and potentially serious liver disease. The good news? Avoiding or drastically reducing these sugary beverages, along with choosing whole, nutrient-rich foods and staying active, can protect your liver and improve your overall health. If you found this video eye-opening, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share it with friends and family who might be unknowingly harming their liver. Your liver works hard for you every day. Return the favor by making smart choices that keep it healthy for years to come.